Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching 5 Minute Learning, and in this video I am gonna show you how to write an application to Headmaster for permission to go to a picnic. So let's get started. Application to Headmaster praying for permission to go to a picnic. To the principal, Islamabad College for Boys, Islamabad. Sir, we, the student of class 9 of your school, wish to go on a picnic at Kashmir. For a long time, we are having monotonous life of attending the classes. So we feel that we can go on a picnic. We need your kind permission with help. Therefore, we pray and hope you would be kind enough to give us the permission and financial help. Yours obediently, Class 9th. Thank you for watching. If you like my content and want to support the channel, please think about subscribing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.